new dog. Yeah. His name is Torso. He's 2 years old. I don't care if he's that old.
He's a small dog.
He's a wiener dog mix. Wiener dog pitbull mix. There he is. He likes to play a lot. He's gonna sleep in there in my bed, on my bed, but not up there. Not like that's where my guests sleep. This is the Dark Slayers channel. He's probably gonna send the video too to me.
I don't think it will send, buddy.
But he'll probably send the video. I don't know. But yeah, I love Torso. He'll be with me forever. We'll be buddies. I saw.
Get down there, Troy.
I saw it.
Torso.
Torso, come here, buddy.
I don't like you for a minute. Oh. Oh. You alright, Troy? Alright, well, that'll be it, guys. Oops, sorry, guys. That'll be it. This is your Dark Slayer boy. I'm gonna see if he's alright. Hope you like this. Like, subscribe, favorite, and comment. So laters and peace.